Happy Friday, guys. This video should have been posted yesterday, but I was on campus and we had some internet issues. But anyhow, it's time for that famous thing called the respect agreement. In my class, we call it the social contract, but it's the same thing. You're going to answer the questions. How do you want to be treated by me, the teacher? How do you think I, the teacher, want to be treated by you, the student? And how do you want to treat each other? And then finally, we're going to wrap it up with how are we going to resolve conflict in class? So the only thing that you need to do is complete the Pear Deck activity that's there, and you will get credit for it. So what you do is you go to your classroom as usual, go to your classwork as usual, scroll down to week 2 learning. Or is it week 2? Yes, it is week 2 learning. Let me go to the right class. So scroll down to your week 2 learning, and you will see respect agreement asynchronous. That means that you didn't do it with us in class, so you need the activity to do it on your own. You'll go here, you'll click on this link, and it will take you through the PowerPoint. All right? Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Make good choices. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.